Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's an early morning. I came here to share my experience that since last 2 days I have been so much confused and disturbed because I was struggling to cope up with different types of names like flowers, vehicles, animals, plants, action verbs. But the thing is, I was having difficulty in understanding how to pronounce different words. So for this, I come up with this solution that before learning to any names like weak names, we should go for pronunciation, that is in German Aussprache, that is on basic level, and I have done with some rules which I would definitely love to share with you so that it may help for you guys also for A1 level. So for the basic pronunciation rules, starting with first one, that is IE. So if we see any word having IE, so how to pronounce it is that a bit long E, that is for example lieben, which means to love in English, that is lieben. Next one is sei, meaning she, sei, it's sounded start with Z, which later on I will tell you why. Next one is beer, beer, meaning is beer. So as you see, there are three words but the pronunciation is all different. So I should tell you how to understand it. So here is the rule of S. If S in the start, so it sound like Z. For example, if we say Saturday, so it's a Samstag, and if we call Sunday, it's a Sonntag. So I repeat, it's a Samstag and Sonntag. So yeah, it's a pronunciation rule for the S if we see in any word in start. Thank you. Now moving to the next one. So yeah, here is the next one which you should learn in beginning. That is, if we have E at the end of any word in German, so it sounds like a Frage, Frage, that means question. Next one is Lise, sorry, it's not Lise, it's bitter confusing, but you should know that if we have a spelling of Lei, so it's a Leise, Leise, meaning quiet. Next one is Lampe, Lampe, that is lamp, it's quite similar to an English one. So I repeat, if we having a E at the end, so we should go for a Frage, Leise, Lampe. And next one is similar to this one, that is ER, ER at the end. So you should go for a Besser, that is better, super, that is great or super, Vater, meaning father. As you all know, V sound is for V, so it's Vater. So what have you understand that if we have ER in any word, so we should end like besser, super, Vater. So guys, these are the basic. If we go and learn and have practiced, so you should have better understanding. But see this last one, that is EI, which I am telling you. Both have different rules, that is IE and EI. So for EI we have a I sound, that is hyphen. Hyphen meaning is to be called. So I have written a sentence here. Ish hyphen Jia meaning is I call to be Jia. Next one is Freitag meaning is Friday. Next one is eyes meaning is eyes. So here I ended my video. Hope you like it. If you like and understand it, kindly do let me know in comment box. I come up with next video for more pronunciation rules. Thank you.